In this video, I will show you guys step by step how you can change your email address in your Stripe account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started. So all you have to do, you just need to open your Stripe account like this. Go to your Stripe homepage and click over here on setting like this, and click again on setting, and you will be directly in this page. Let me show you. You just need to wait few seconds for this page to come, and I will show you guys how you can do it. It's super easy and it's so simple. So let's complete it, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. Click on profile and you will be again to this page. Click over here on edit, and here you go. You guys can change your email from here. This is my email. I'm gonna remove this email and I can put new email here, and after you finish, just click over here on save. Okay, and that's it. That's how we can change Stripe email in just in few minutes. Super easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.